From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So it's not a U-47. It's not even a U-47 clone, per se. It doesn't even have a tube in it. This is the Butterstick. So what this is it has a 3U Audio M7 capsule, which to me, if you've heard me talk about this capsule before, the active word is butter, 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 because it's just a smooth, beautiful sounding capsule. And I've paired it with the Microphone Parts T84 circuit. And the combination of these two together just really sounds great. But you've heard this microphone actually on this channel before. You've actually seen it on this channel before, but not in this form factor. It was originally in this Studio Project C1 body. And I was thinking about it, and I was like, you know what? The head basket on that microphone is just a little bit too small for the M7. I have another microphone with a microphone. I have another microphone, a tube mic with the M7 in it. It has a larger head basket. It's kind of like a mini U-47 style mic. I call it the Holy Grail. You may have seen it on the channel before. So I was looking at the Grail and I'm like, you know what? The head basket, I think the interaction of the head basket is important. I need a bigger head basket for this mic. What would be more perfect than a U-47 body? And just, it looks nice. And I had this on when I was doing a session with a client. And for some reason they were like, the guy was like, oh, nice microphone. Because he probably thought it was a 47. He was probably used to seeing 47s. So I'm like, oh, the client likes it. And even though I used the Soyuz on the gig. But so what I think overall is that this has improved the aesthetics of the microphone greatly, putting it in this $130 Aliexpress body. And it's improved the acoustics of the head basket and overall the sound of the microphone. So this density of the material, especially in the body here, is really, I think, helping to capture this spirit, the big, larger than life spirit of a 47 style microphone. But again, no tube, so I don't have to deal with a power supply or dealing with tube variations, or if my tube will go out. But I still get really the benefits of something that sounds like a rich, full 47-ish style capture. I'm really, really liking this mic. I'm really liking it a lot. I'm liking it a lot more than I thought, which I know I say that with every single microphone that comes in here. But I feel like what is happening is I feel like I'm getting closer and closer and closer to it. The Tone Quest. Chasing the dragon over and over again, microphone after microphone. But I think I'm getting closer to it. And this feels pretty good. So, yeah. This is a microphone that actually anybody can build with the right skills. And don't ask me to build one for you, please. I would like to, but I just don't have the time. And but it wouldn't be that hard to do it, to source the mic parts T84 and the 3U Audio M7. As a matter of fact, here, I'll give you a breakdown. So the T84 circuit is about, let's see, it's 189, 199, 199. So it's a 199 with tax, shipping. I would say to me it would be different. But if I were to buy it, tax, shipping, would probably be closer to like 240 at that point. And then the capsule is about 200 shipped to you from 3U Audio directly. And then this body was what, like $130, 100 whatever. So 375, 70. So just about $600. If you have to pay for a little extra, buy some wires or extra solder or whatever. So for just under $600, you get a microphone that I think is comparable with a lot more expensive microphones. I think you can definitely spray in the big weeds with the tall dogs here, or it's spraying the tall weeds with the big dogs. I think you can do both. Anyway, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. This is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.